Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming which account held the deleted numbers. This determines the only reliable recovery path. Sign into that account on the device or web. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and battery is adequate. Once signed in, open Contacts and go straight to Recently Deleted or Trash. This is where items are kept temporarily. If you see entries, select them now. You act quickly because retention windows vary. Restoring from this folder is fast and preserves metadata like labels and numbers. Once you locate the correct account, use its Restore feature. On iCloud, go to Account Settings, then Restore Contacts. On Google Contacts, use Settings Undo Changes and pick a time window that predates deletion. Choose the most recent snapshot that contains the numbers. Confirm Restore and then force a sync on your phone. Open Contacts Sync Settings and tap Sync Now. After contacts reappear, export a VCF file as an offline backup. This prevents repeat loss and gives you a fallback if sync fails. After restore, verify every entry. Open a sample of restored numbers to confirm labels, notes, and secondary phones. Once done, use the Contacts App Merge or Link feature to remove duplicates. Do this carefully to avoid overriding fields. Make sure all contact groups are visible in Settings. If nothing appears, double-check you signed into the correct account and that you used the right time window. Troubleshooting tip: if no backup exists and sync shows nothing, stop writing new data and consult a professional recovery service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.